Hello students, this is our online social study class. We are in chapter 17, the land of sand and snow. In our previous class, we learned about the hot desert climatic region that was in Saudi Arabia. Okay, we learned about the location and land of this climatic region, Saudi Arabia. And today we will learn about Greenland, a polar climatic region. You know, polar region called called as Tundra region. Tundra region, it is around the Arctic Circle. The Arctic Circle, where it is 66 degree half north in northern hemisphere and 66 and half degree south in southern hemisphere. You know, Arctic Circle in north hemisphere, Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere. So polar region called as Tundra region is around the Arctic Circle near the North Pole and the Antarctic Circle near the South Pole. Everything is frozen here. Just look at the picture. Everything is frozen here. Uh, and it is as hard as rock, and extreme low temperature exists here. In the polar region, most of the year the temperature is below 0 degree centigrade. The temperature in the summer is about 4 degree centigrade. Sometimes they get dislocated. These huge ice sheets get dislocated and move to form glaciers. At other times, large chunks of glaciers float in the sea. These are called as icebergs. So, always remember glaciers, huge sheets of ice, frozen ice, which moves slowly. That is glacier. And the glaciers large chunks of glaciers which float in the sea is called as icebergs. The Arctic tundra region includes Greenland, northern Siberia, and Alaska. Okay, so Greenland is in the polar region. Let us visit the place. This is Greenland. You can see here. Greenland is a part of the continent of North America. It is part of the continent of North America. This island lies between 60-degree north and 90-degree north latitude. 60-degree north to 90-degree north latitude. And 20-degree west and 70-degree west longitudes. It is the largest island in the world. Always remember, Greenland is the largest island in the world. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk. It is Gortha or Nuuk. Okay, here it is. You can see here. Here it is Gortha or Nuuk. Greenlands are Danish citizens. Now, climate and rainfall. The climate is very cold in here. The temperature is below 0 degree centigrade whole the year, throughout all the year. The sun never sets in the summer. That is why Greenland is called the land of the midnight sun. In the winter, the sun never rises. There are the mountains near the coast of Greenland. The natural vegetations here, only grass and lichens. Everywhere they grow these types of vegetation. Some places birch and willow trees also grow. Polar bear, uh, Arctic fox, Arctic hare, reindeer, etc. are the animals found here. And the natural resources here, the rich in deposit of lead, zinc, uranium, copper, and gold. And this land exports lead, zinc, and frozen tinned food and smoked fish. Now, about the people of Greenland. The people of Greenland are called Inuits or Greenlanders. Inuits are hardy people that have a short body and slanting eyes. In summer, they live in tents made of animal skin. In winter, they live in igloos. You can see here the igloo. The land is covered with snow as the most of the year. Agriculture is not possible here. In the coastal areas where it is little warm, people grow potatoes and vegetables. Main occupation, fishing and mining. The Inuits hunt seals, foxes, and polar bears with harpoons. The name of the weapon is harpoons. They use all parts of the animals which they hunt. They eat the meat of the animals, use the animal skin to make boats and tents, and use animal fat as oil. Sheep and reindeer are raised for their milk, meat, and wool. Inuits wear clothes that protect them from the cold. Their fur coats have hoods attached to them. Okay. Now about transport and travel. Inuits travel from one place to another on sledges pulled by reindeer or huskies. Sledge dogs are called huskies. They also travel through boats called kayaks that have sails made of animal skin. With development today, the Greenlanders also live in modern houses, move about in snowmobiles and have motorboats. And the people of Greenland like to play games. Wrestling and tug of war are their favorite games. And they enjoy storytelling and dancing too. So these are in this way they live. And that was the chapter. We learned about the hot desert and cold desert. The hot desert Saudi Arabia and cold desert Greenland. And in our next class, I'll give you the